What if I told you that an entire part of Europe is slowly spinning right now? Not in a sci-fi movie, not in theory, but in real life. Spain and Portugal are literally rotating, and almost no one notices. This isn't an earthquake happening today or tomorrow. It's something far stranger, a continental-scale movement, unfolding so slowly that it takes satellites and decades of data just to detect it. Scientists have now confirmed that the Iberian Peninsula, home to Spain and Portugal, is rotating clockwise, inch by inch, driven by massive forces deep inside the Earth. This discovery comes from a new study combining earthquake records with satellite measurements capable of detecting tiny surface movements invisible to the human eye. To understand why this is happening, we have to go beneath the surface, straight into one of the most complex tectonic zones on Earth. South of Iberia, the African and Eurasian tectonic plates collide, but instead of a clean crash, the interaction becomes chaotic near the Gibraltar Arc and the Alboran microplate. East of Gibraltar, the Earth's crust absorbs stress like a shock absorber. But west of Gibraltar, something very different happens. Africa pushes directly against Iberia. That push doesn't just cause earthquakes. Over millions of years, it applies a slow, persistent force that nudges the entire peninsula into a clockwise rotation. From a human perspective, nothing looks different. Cities don't slide, roads don't crack overnight. But on a geological timescale, Iberia is quietly turning. Scientists confirmed this motion by analyzing decades of seismic activity alongside satellite data that tracks surface deformation down to millimeters. The findings were published in Gondwana research by a team led by geophysicist Asier Madarieta Siruka, working with researchers across Spain and Italy. Their conclusion? The collision zone west of Gibraltar transmits stress directly into southwestern Iberia, causing the peninsula to rotate instead of simply compress. Why does this matter right now? Because understanding these stress patterns helps scientists map hidden faults and better predict future earthquake risks. This research doesn't mean disaster is imminent, but it gives geologists a clearer picture of where energy is building beneath the Earth's surface. It also reminds us of something profound. What feels solid and permanent to us is actually in constant motion, shaped by forces operating over millions of years. In the blink of Earth's history, humans arrived late. But in that short time, we've learned enough to watch continents bend, stretch, and slowly turn. Spain and Portugal won't spin away tomorrow, but they are proof that the planet never stops moving, even when everything looks perfectly still. The ground beneath your feet may feel stable, but Earth is always at work. And sometimes, the biggest movements are the ones we can't feel at all.